Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is mag-unpack po ako ng box. Hindi po siya unbox kasi nakabukas na po siya. So I'm gonna show you some items that I got from USA. Because I'm so excited last night, so I cannot wait for tomorrow to open it. So now I'm gonna try to let you see what I got inside. So, I'm just gonna put this on here. Also guys, now, this bag, I got this small trolley. When I see this one, I thought of my brothers-in-law. Because if I have some stuff, I really always think my family. So, I'll give this to my brother-in-law. And second is pouch, and this is for travel. I'm speaking in life. And look at this! It's really such a big Toblerone. I will give it to my daughters. My daughter, not daughters. I have only one. I have two. Look this guys, ang laki niya. Ang laki-laki niya. Sobra. Super. And this cute, what is this? Like building decoration. This. And this, another pouch for travel. Charot English. And I don't know what is this. Ah, water filter. Water filter desk. And some plastic. Ito plastic naman. And another pouch. Oh, I really love this one, guys. I need it for my some accessories on whatsoever. I open it and nakita niyo. This box pala, hindi ko pala napakita kung ano, gaano kalaki. I'm gonna show you. It's like this. Ang bigat. Ako ko alam. And some like this rice. Yellow rice. 1, 2, 3. It's 4 pieces. Yellow rice from America. At hindi ko alam kung anong taste nito. And this is what I requested for. Candle. It smells good. I really love this one, vanilla. Vanilla? Vanilla. Thank you for the person that gave me this. My special someone. And next is, hala, ang cute nito guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. I have another bags for my daily needs in the store. At may laman siya. May laman na siya. First is my vitamins. Yeah, nasubukan ko na po yung mga vitamins ng mga sa galing sa Amerika. It's really effective. Especially when for feeling my liver. I have these two. At hindi ko alam kung bakit ang daming shades. Shave. Para sa mga kakili at sa dito. Bastos. And I have a bunch of socks. Wow. I can use it every day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Another shades. Guys, panty. I like this panty. Do you want me to try on, huh? Joke. Joke. Kung sa Arabic pa haram. Haram. Not allowed. panty hipster. Gusto ko siya, hipster. I like this one, hipster. I don't want high waist. And a bunch of toothpaste. I can package this all to my family. Yeah, that's it in my bag. And thank you so much again. Thank you so much. And another plastic. And next is, I tried this one before. And it's really good. Really, really good.
What is it?
This is combo mix. It's like when you mix with rice, shrimp, or anything that you like. It really tastes good. Sausage, hot dog. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another. Oh, we're almost done. And this one, I'm excited to taste what it tastes. This one, it's corn muffin mix, and we have three. I can't wait to taste that. Another one, this cute decoration. I will bring this in Philippines because I have planned to go home for good. I will discuss it later. At kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit ako nag-English, so that the person that give me this know what I mean. What did I say? What is this? Oh, I like this one. Cough drops. Kagagaling ko palang naman sa sakit. There's more of this. This is with beans. I tried it also before, and this really tastes good.
Good with sausage.
With sausage and chicken. And this is 4. Look at this, so you can see.
Sorry.
And next is toothpaste. I will send it to my family again because I will show you the box for LVC. I will send it soon. Thank you so much. Sponsored? Joke. This video is not sponsored. This video. Anti-itchy. Ito pag may may nangangati sa inyo. Guys, nasubukan ko na po talaga yung mga medicine from American. It's really effective po. Oh, I need it. This is for first aid. For if you have some wounds. An anti-diarrheal. I need this last week because I have it. I have diarrhea last week. Last Thursday. My gosh, I need it for my business. I hope so. And this one, cloth. Oh, I need it because if you can.
For the first aid.
For the first aid. Tape for the first aid. And this one, guys, stamps. I really like it, especially if you don't feel good in your stomach. Effective for some acidity tones, so it tastes like candy. And this one, notebook. Oh, my favorite color, pink. I need it. Thank you so much, Mom. Pink. And some scissors. I need it because when I love to do DIY crafts. And this one, black paper. Kailangan natin ito sa mga sahog-sahog. And this ointment sa mga katik-katik. For first aid. this one. Whew. I really have everything for my business, future business.
Those are receipts.
Yeah, this is receipt, guys. So, this is good for my business. Oh my gosh, my daughter will love this. It's like, wow, just wow. She will really love this. Yung parang magagawa ka ng mga bracelet, quintas. But I don't know where is the... Ah, here. See? Yung para sa atin yung mga bata, ay, mag-enjoy po talaga yung anak ko dito, tsaka yung mga pinsan niya. Kasi maraming bata na doon, especially buntis na lang yung kapatid ko. So this one for my daughter, Kiana. Ay, hello guys, naputol kanina, I don't know why. Maybe it's full storage na naman. Wow! For my tablet. It's for me! Because it's girly. Pink. Ah, I need it. Thank you so much. Another notebook. This is what I discussed last time. Pink. Oh, wow. Marami na akong notebook. Ah, so you can put something in here so it will make like this. See? Ito na po naputol kanina, pero ito na lang po siya. Ito na lang po yung laman ng box na tira. Ito like zipper. Kasi kailangan ko po ito sa Pinas. And some notebook again. Kasi nga may plan po ako mag-business. I need that. And some cold medicine. Because this is really effective for me. Because I tried those. And vitamins for children. They will like this because it's like chewy, like it's like just candy. It tastes like candy. And this one, same as this. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much. Yes, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And for those people who's not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And yes, thank you for those sweet comments. I really love to read a lot of comments kasi na-appreciate nyo po yung mga videos ko. Thank you guys. Bye. God bless everyone.